How does a motorcycle fuel pump work? Have you ever wondered what makes your motorcycle roar to life when you hit the ignition? The secret lies in the fuel pump. So, how does a motorcycle fuel pump work? Let's break it down. A motorcycle fuel pump is essential for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. Most modern motorcycles use an electric fuel pump, which operates with an electric motor. When you turn on the ignition, the motorcycle's electronic control unit activates the fuel pump relay. This sends electricity to the pump motor, which then spins an internal impeller or turbine. This spinning action pulls fuel from the tank through an intake port. The fuel is then pushed out through an outlet port under pressure. It travels through fuel lines toward the engine's fuel rail or carburetor. This process ensures that your engine receives the right amount of fuel for combustion. Typically, the fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank. Being submerged in fuel helps keep the pump cool during operation. This setup also reduces the risk of vapor lock, which can interrupt fuel delivery. The pump assembly often includes a prefilter to remove debris, a pressure regulator to maintain consistent fuel pressure, and sometimes a fuel level sending unit to monitor fuel quantity. The pressure regulator is vital because it ensures the fuel pressure stays within the range required by the motorcycle's fuel system. This precise pressure is necessary for the fuel injectors or carburetor jets to meter the correct amount of fuel into the engine for efficient combustion. Different types of fuel pumps are used in motorcycles, including rotor, turbine, lobe, and roller pumps. While they vary in design, they all serve the same basic function, transferring fuel from the tank to the engine under pressure. In carbureted motorcycles, fuel delivery often relies on engine vacuum to draw fuel. However, some carbureted bikes with remote tanks may still use a fuel pump to supply fuel consistently. A well-functioning fuel pump is key for reliable engine performance. It contributes to smooth acceleration and proper fuel economy. If the fuel pump fails or delivers inconsistent pressure, the engine may hesitate, stall, or have difficulty starting. Knowing how the fuel pump works can help you diagnose and replace faulty pumps during motorcycle maintenance and repair. So, the next time you start your motorcycle, remember the hard work your fuel pump is doing to keep everything running smoothly.